So here we are, our first morning here this trip. Friday the 4th of January 2013, and it's just about 21 degrees below zero out. And we're going to run an experiment out here in a minute. Sun is just about getting ready to come up. There's Jim and Mary Ellen's icicles off the end of the thing. And in a few minutes we will run a physics experiment. Right, Bibby?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, on thermodynamics at 21 below zero. Okay, and the sun is just started to hit out there.
All right, we are recording Albert's experiment. Go.
Okay, it's about 21 below zero here in Jackson. Got a little couple of cups here of almost boiling water, and we're going to see what happens when you throw it into 21 below zero weather.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Looking out there, dear?
Yep.
Here it goes.
And that's what happens.
You get that?
I got it.
Pretty cool. As it is out here.